Hi, first grade families. This is the first grade team, and you'll be watching a quick tutorial on logging into Google Classroom and the Classwork tab. Okay, so we'll be using my daughter's account, and what you need is your child's Gmail address. You can find this on Infinite Campus. If you're not sure, then please send a Bloom's message to your child's teacher. All right. Password is their student ID number. So after they enter their Gmail, they enter their student ID. Okay. Once in, the waffle icon, very important. Click on the waffle icon and go to Classroom. Now, my daughter's in fifth grade, so she will be in fifth grade. She has more than one classroom, and soon your child will have more than one classroom as they'll be adding specialist classrooms such as PE, music, art, and science. Okay, so let's click on a first grade classroom, and we're in. This is the stream. A few announcements might be on the stream every once in a while, but communication will be through Bloom's. All first grade teachers were very much on the same page. We'll be communicating with parents through Bloom's, and Google Classroom is just exactly what it says. That's where the classwork will happen. All right, so we have three tabs up top: Stream and Classwork. This is the most important tab. We'll click on Classwork, and we're in. Okay, so first grade has decided to set up topics by day. So when your child logs in and goes into classwork, they'll jump right to the day. If they're having, or you might be having a tough time finding it, the topics are also right over here, and you can click on the date or the day, and it will take you to that topic, to that day. All right, so you'll see these little images on the side here. This means material, and this means assignment. Assignments will need to be turned in. Okay, so Google Meet, you'll see little headphones, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Google Meet means synchronous teaching. That means live, face to face, I guess, essentially through a screen. But we'll be joining right here. You'll click on the class video meeting, the Google Meet. Now, also keep in mind, it's only August 13th, and this schedule is not set in stone, and there may be changes, but there will be at least 60 minutes to 90 minutes a day of synchronous live teaching. Okay, so your child will click on the Google Meet, and they'll click right here to join the session. Obviously, it's not going to work right now because I'm the teacher and I'm not in, so students cannot join a Google Meet until a teacher is there. All right, then after we completed our lesson, independent practice. So you'll come here and you're going to want to click on View Assignment. Okay, so it says please complete the attached Google slide by dragging and dropping the pictures under silly choices or smart choices. Please submit your assignment when you are done. So again, this is the first week of school. We are just learning how to navigate Google Classroom. We're learning how to drag and drop, lots of things that we need to do. So you'll click on the assignment, and I've started this. But during our Google Meet, we'll be talking about what virtual rules and procedures are. So smart choices and silly choices. It says sort the picture. Is this a smart choice or a silly choice? Telling my teacher if I'm not doing well. Well, that's a smart choice. Absolutely. We want to know how you're feeling. So they're going to practice dragging and dropping, and it is a challenging skill. Keep in mind, parents, we're in this together, and communication is going to be very important. I have a 5-year-old, and I've started practicing with her. She'll be starting kindergarten on how to drag and drop. Asking my teacher for help. That is a smart choice. Using hurtful words in the chat box. That is a silly choice, and we'll go over this with them. Playing games instead of going to my class meeting. Well, that's a silly choice. And listening respectfully to others. That is a smart choice. Okay, now you've completed the assignment. What do you need to do next? Now you need to submit your work. So we're going to come back right here. You can close out. Google Classroom is virtual, it's live, so changes automatically save. All right, so now I know, and I'll even show you just see. Hey. All right, so we're not done. We need to turn in the assignment. So we'll click here, turn in, and it says turn in your work. And yes, I want to turn it in. The first week of school, we are not grading anything. We are just practicing the procedure of turning stuff in. Okay, so now I need to get back. So I can click here and click on the Classwork tab, or I could simply just click the back arrow. All right, but you'll notice that this is no longer pink. That means I have successfully submitted my assignment. All right, then you'll see the next thing is specials and lunch. Soon, when we have a confirmed schedule, we'll be adding the Google Meet that your child will join for specials. And then you'll see, oh, Google Meet number 2. This is synchronous learning and teaching. Right here, click on the class video and we'll have a Google Meet together. And then, oh, this is an assignment. This is the assignment that I will need to complete, or my child will need to complete. So I'm just going to click on View Assignment. I'm going to open the assignment. This is a Google form. I will complete it. As soon as I'm done, I will click, bing, mark is done. All right, so, and then I'll click this back arrow because see, it'll take you there. All right, so this is just a quick tutorial. I will be helping students. I will be helping parents. There are tons of YouTube videos that are very helpful. But up here at the top, virtual library, math arcade, another library, and virtual math manipulatives. You'll see in assignments, if we'll say if you have completed this, please access the Pete the Cat virtual library. So students will just click on whatever is above. It doesn't necessarily mean that's what it's going to be. And then they will listen to the book. And you can see that all the books that we've uploaded are the safe ones, the ones that have been approved by CCSD. And then this is amazing, our virtual math manipulatives. We have some pretty awesome first grade teachers that have created all these amazing materials for the students. But again, the first week we'll be walking students through on how to use these, because after math lessons, we want students to have something, for addition and subtraction, place value, time, measurement, so on and so forth. So I know this was a little bit long of a video, but I hope it helps all of you answering any questions you may have on the Classwork tab. Very important. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the first grade team. We're looking forward to working with and meeting all of you.